Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to consolidate data from various worksheets. It's a common problem to have where we have data in various worksheets, and when we have to consolidate the data, we typically do it manually by copying pasting from one worksheet to another worksheet. However, in Excel there is a function called consolidate, and it can help you consolidate the data in less than few seconds. So let's get to it. What I've done is I've just created some dummy data over here. Let's say this is a sales figure of a mobile company and it has 3 models, and it has mentioned the sales number for each of the models from January till December and also for accessories. Similarly, in sheet 2, I also have similar data. However, for the sake of convenience, what I have done is for model 1 and accessories, I have kept the name as same, and model 5 and 6 I have introduced as new. This is to show you that when the data, where the row headers matches, it can still consolidate the data and also give you some flexibility to do some mathematical functions. So to consolidate the data, we need to go to a new sheet. We can click the cursor anywhere, and then we need to go to data, click on consolidate. It will open up this box. Now the function is we can either sum the data, count, average, or anything which you want to select from here. I'll go and select sum. Now you understand why I had model 1 in both the sheets, because it will help me sum the sales data for model 1 from 2 worksheets as well as for accessories. And then I have to select the reference. The first thing which I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this because this is an old data. So I'm just going to delete this and this one as well. Now let's go and select the data. So first one is references, and I'm going to select the entire table over here. And then if I need to go and select the next sheet, I need to press this plus button, come to the next sheet, and then select the data over here as well. And then once I have done that, click the plus button again so that I have both the sheets over here. And then I'm going to use the labels in top row left column as the same labels, right? And then click OK. And there you go. The data is consolidated. Let's just verify the data. In sheet 1, I had model 1 as 10,000. In sheet 2 as well, I had model 1 as 10,000. So the total was 20,000, and over here is 20,000. Now, of course, the format of the date has changed, which you can easily change. One of the easiest way in Excel to do is press Ctrl 1, and it opens up this box of format. And since we are on the date, we can select the date over here, and we can select whichever format we want. It doesn't have the format which we are looking for, so maybe we just change that to English Australia and give it a shot. There you go. In English United States, we do have this option of March 12, and we're going to click OK, and we are going to get the format of the date as well. Now you can see how easy it is to consolidate the data from various worksheets. That's all what I had in this video. If you like this video, do press a like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you are able to get access to that. And if you want to know more about Excel, do visit my website, which is www.starperformers.net. Till then, goodbye and enjoy learning Excel.